Let me show you the quick process of making a collage on Instagram. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick till the end without skipping any part. And before I show you, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more informative videos similar to this. To make a collage on Instagram, you just tap on the plus icon on the bottom and tap on the story option. Here you'll see an option of layout. Tap on the layout option and you can choose from the number of layouts that you want to add. If you tap on the other options, you can pick from the number of layouts or the collage that you want to make. After you selected the layout, you can just take a picture and the picture will be added. But however, if you want to add in a picture that you already took, you can also do that by tapping on the plus on the bottom left and you can select the photos. Once you do, the photo will be added to your collage or your layout. Again, repeat the same process for the number of sections that you created. Once that is done, tap on the tick mark and there you go. Your collage on Instagram has now been successfully created. So that's all it takes to make a collage on Instagram. If you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure you comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.